It's easy to take your body for granted until it starts hurting. One day you're walking upstairs without thinking twice, and the next, your knees twinge. Your lower back stiffens after a short car ride. Your shoulders ache at night for no reason. What if I told you that there are just a handful of simple movements, 4 to be exact, that, if done consistently, could save you years of physical pain, costly physiotherapy, and even prevent injury in the long run? This isn't clickbait. It's not a miracle cure. It's just smart, practical movement rooted in biomechanics, physical therapy, and decades of real-world results. These 4 exercises are low impact, require little to no equipment, and can be performed at home. But more importantly, they target the root causes of the most common issues people face: back pain, joint stiffness, hip instability, weak core, poor posture, and imbalance. Whether you're an athlete, a desk worker, a parent constantly on the go, or someone just trying to move pain-free again, these exercises are for you. And by the end of this video, you won't just know how to do them. You'll know why they work, how to make them a part of your life, and what to expect as your body starts to change. Stick around. This isn't just a workout, it's an education. Let's jump in. Your glutes, your butt muscles, are the powerhouse of your body. When they're weak or inactive, your lower back starts picking up the slack, your hips become unstable, and your knees often get pulled out of alignment. This chain reaction causes all kinds of pain that seem unrelated until you trace it back to the source. That's where the glute bridge comes in. This exercise looks simple, and it is, but it's also incredibly powerful. When you lie on your back, knees bent, and lift your hips off the floor, you're doing more than just lifting. You're training your body to recruit the right muscles at the right time. Each rep builds strength and endurance in the glutes, while also opening up your hip flexors, which tend to get tight from sitting too long. But here's the real secret. The glute bridge teaches your body to move more efficiently. When your glutes fire properly, your pelvis stabilizes, your spine stacks properly, and your entire lower body alignment improves. This can reduce or even eliminate chronic lower back pain and hip discomfort. Over time, you'll notice stairs feel easier, walking becomes smoother, and even your posture while standing improves. If you're new to this, start with body weight. Focus on control, squeezing your glutes at the top, and keeping your spine neutral. As you progress, you can add resistance, a dumbbell, a barbell, or even a band around your knees to increase activation. But even without any weight, doing this consistently will reshape how your body moves and feels. And if you're thinking, I don't have time, just remember this. A few minutes of glute bridges a day could prevent months of pain and expensive rehab. It's the definition of small investment, massive return. Pain often comes from immobility, not just weakness. That stiffness you feel in your back, it's not just age, it's your spine crying out for movement. The cat-cow stretch is one of the most underrated yet effective ways to keep your spine healthy, your nervous system engaged, and your body feeling fluid. It's a simple movement. Start on all fours. Inhale as you arch your back, cow, lifting your chest and tailbone. Then exhale as you round your spine, cat, pulling your belly button in and tucking your chin. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This is a full spinal mobilization that engages your vertebrae from the neck all the way down to the tailbone. Each rep pumps fluid through the spinal discs, rehydrates the tissues, and gently stretches the muscles along the back and neck. For people who sit for long periods or wake up stiff in the morning, this is an absolute game changer. It helps correct posture, reduce pressure on the nerves, and improve your breathing mechanics. What makes cat-cow so powerful isn't just what it does to your spine. It's how it connects movement with breath. As you breathe in and arch, you're expanding your lungs, lifting your chest, and improving your diaphragm function. As you breathe out and round your back, you're encouraging deep abdominal activation and releasing tension from your upper back and neck. Do this for just 60 to 90 seconds each day, and you'll feel your body start to move differently. You'll stand taller, turn more easily, and reduce that nagging tension that shows up in your shoulders or lower back. And because it's gentle, it's perfect for beginners, seniors, and anyone recovering from injury. So the next time your back feels tight or you feel stiff after a long day, drop to the floor and spend a minute flowing through cat-cow. Your spine and your future self will thank you. Let's talk about knees, hips, and ankles, three of the most injury-prone joints in the body. Whether it's ACL tears, hip impingement, or ankle instability, these issues often trace back to a lack of balance and control between the left and right sides of the body. The solution? The split squat. Unlike a regular squat, where both legs share the load, a split squat forces each leg to work independently. This means your dominant side can't take over, and your weaker side is forced to pull its own weight, literally. It's a brutally honest exercise that exposes asymmetries and then corrects them. Start with body weight. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, like a lunge. Lower your back knee straight down, keeping your chest up and your front knee tracking over your toes. Then push through your front heel to return to the top. It looks simple, but you'll quickly feel muscles activating that haven't worked in years. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. The beauty of the split squat is how it teaches joint alignment. Your knees learn to track properly, your hips stay square, and your ankles become more stable. And when you develop strength in this position, everyday movements, like climbing stairs, getting in and out of a car, or picking something up off the floor, become safer and more fluid. It's also one of the best ways to protect yourself from future injury. By reinforcing proper movement mechanics, you reduce the chance of wear and tear on the joints. Over time, this can mean fewer cortisone shots, fewer surgeries, and more active years doing what you love. If you want to level up, add dumbbells to each hand or elevate your rear foot for a Bulgarian split squat. But even at the basic level, this is one of the most functional exercises you can do, and it's one that keeps giving back. When people think of core exercises, they usually picture crunches or sit-ups. But those movements focus more on surface-level muscles and often contribute to spinal strain when done improperly. If you want a truly strong core, one that protects your spine, improves your balance, and supports your every movement, you need to go deeper. You need the bird dog. This is one of the most effective and safest exercises for activating your deep core stabilizers, like the transverse abdominis and multifidus. These are the muscles that wrap around your spine and hold it in place during every lift, twist, step, and turn you take throughout the day. To do the bird dog, start on all fours. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back, creating a long line from fingertips to toes. Hold for a second or two, then return to the starting position and switch sides. The goal is control, not speed. If your hips sway or your spine arches, scale back and focus on mastering the movement. Each rep trains your body to resist rotation, an essential skill for everything from walking to lifting groceries. The bird dog also teaches you to coordinate upper and lower body movement through the core, building stability from the inside out. Over time, this leads to better posture, reduced risk of back pain, and improved movement in sports, exercise, and daily life. It's gentle enough for beginners, but challenging enough for advanced athletes when performed with precision. You can make it harder by holding the extended position longer, adding a small weight to the hand, or placing a balance pad under your knees. What makes the bird dog so unique is how it translates to real life. Unlike isolated core movements, this pattern mimics the crossbody movement we use when we walk, run, or throw. That's why it's a favorite among physical therapists and strength coaches alike. These 4 exercises, glute bridges, cat-cow stretch, split squats, and bird dogs, may seem basic. They don't require fancy machines or intense cardio, but that's exactly what makes them so powerful. They teach your body how to move the way it was designed to, with balance, strength, mobility, and control. And here's the truth. No matter how old you are, no matter what condition your body is in, it's never too late to start rebuilding the foundation. When practiced consistently, these movements can reverse years of damage, unlock stiff joints, and restore confidence in your body. Not once a month, not just when you feel like it. Every day, even just 5 minutes a day can change the way your body feels, functions, and ages. Don't wait for the pain to force you to change. Start now. Build the habit. Invest in your future self. Your body isn't broken. It's just waiting for the right kind of movement. And if this video helped you, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more movement-based solutions, and drop a comment below telling us which of these exercises helped you the most. Let's keep moving, keep learning, and keep building a pain-free life, one rep at a time. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.